My dear friends, this is Dr. Paneer Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. Today the video is about Corona. Corona still is unending, still it is existing. Not only existing, still it spreads. And moreover, it is not only the Corona, it's another powerful Corona started occurring in few countries and abroad. So what is missing? Why still it is existing? Is because of not because of medicine or any other thing. It is because of our lethargic attitude and our carelessness in adopting the precautionary devices measures. It's all very simple to wear a face mask and keeping social distancing and keep our body, keep our hands and other the body is kept very clean. So since it is not followed, the spreading is still continuing, and moreover the spreading is also faster in a few states in India. So what is going to be taken and what are the measures to be adopted? Very simple devices which needs to be followed, that's all. The prevention of a corona infection is possible only through medical treatment or a self regulation and immunity power. So as far as treatment, the first dose is going on and second dose also been introduced. So it takes its own time. As far as the immunity, we cannot rise up immediately. We cannot grow this immunity power. So what is the best available is self-regulatory. And the self-regulatory, to some extent, it will curb your infection virus. For example, when you wear a face mask and keep your social distancing and wash your hands, that will be the regulatory, would be known as a self-regulatory, which would avoid the occurrence to spread to a larger extent. But of late, because of lethargic attitude and the carelessness on the virus, now I think it started occurring, it started spreading in few states in India. See, we should not allow the situation to grow this virus infection in our body more and more. That will be a very alarming consequences. So it's a time to take precautions by adopting the கொரோனா வைரஸ் 1 இயருக்கு முன்னாடி வந்திருந்தாலும் the last 3 months as a result of the pandemicக்காக எடுக்கப்பட்ட ஸ்டெப்ஸில் லாக்டவுன் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டு, அதற்கப்புறம் இம்யூனிட்டி வேணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இம்யூனிட்டி ரைஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய அவேர்னஸ் கொடுத்ததனுடைய விளைவு, அப்புறம் செல்ஃப் ரெகுலேட்டரி டிவைசஸ்க்காக ப்ரிகாஷனரி மெத்தடுக்கு ஃபாலோ பண்ணி ஃபேஸ் மாஸ்க்கு, சோஷியல் டிஸ்டன்சிங், தென் வாஷிங் ஹேண்ட்ஸ், இந்த மாதிரியான மெத்தட்லாம் அடாப்ட் பண்ணதுனால இந்த லாஸ்ட் 3 monthஸில் தெர் வாஸ் அ வெரி அப்ரிஷியபிள் ட்ரெண்ட் குறைய ஆரம்பித்தது. நம்மக்கிட்ட 1 கோடி பேருக்கு மேலே இந்தியாவில் பாதிக்கப்பட்டிருந்தாலும் ஒரு நம்மளால் ஒரு 90% 95% பீப்புளுக்கு வரைக்கும் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் கொடுத்து அவங்களுக்கு ஐசோலேட் பண்ணி சரியான ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டை கொடுக்கக்கூடிய அளவிற்கு முடிந்ததுனால the last 3 months performance really a very good performance. அது நல்லா நமக்கு ஒரு இண்டிகேட்டராக இருந்துச்சு, போக போக அது குறையக்கூடிய நிலைமை வரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. ஆஃப் லைட் இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்கையில் இந்த ஆட்டிடியூடு கொஞ்சம் லெத்தார்ஜிக் ஆகி மாறுபட்ட அளவில் இருப்பதை நம்ம பார்க்கிறோம். லாஸ்ட்டு 3 months பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் எந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் கொடுத்துச்சோ அந்த கான்ஃபிடென்ஸை லாஸ்ட் 1 week பிரேக் பண்ணிடுச்சு. பிரேக்குனா not a historical break. Corona infection again started climbing up. A few states in India has shown that there is a kind of a change, there is an improvement in the spreading virus infection. So இது நீங்கள் லாஸ்ட் 1 weekல மெஷர்மெண்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்கையில் அது அப்படியே இந்த ட்ரெண்டு ஒரு அபவுட் 31%க்கு ரைஸ் ஆகி இதனுடைய க்ரோத்தை காமிச்சிருக்குது. இட் இஸ் ஐ திங்க் இட் இஸ் நாட் அ right sign, it's a bad sign. So we'll have to be very alert to avoid this infection virus to occur. It is heartbreaking to note that there is a growth in the virus infection occurring in few states in India. Maharashtra, yesterday alone it was about 6,900 cases have been identified. In Kerala, it is between 4,000 to 6,000 cases on an average. Similarly, this experience is also seen in Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. Definitely, I think no, this is due to the negligence on the part of the public. So, unless serious efforts are being taken to safeguard of their kind of health and precautionary measures, so it is going to be an alarming trend which we should not allow to happen. There should not be any exception to prohibit ourselves. We should not claim that we are living in a business city, we are living in the tourist city, we are going for educational purposes, and we have to meet our friends, and we have to maintain the maintenance, social relationship. So we should not accept all those excuses and invalid reasons. So we are now living in a situation where the virus infection is very alarming and serious. So we have to prohibit ourselves to avoid crowds, programs, functions, celebrations. So we'll have to minimize the number of people to be gathered. As well as if it is a work spot, there is a limit to keep our distance and keep our routine things happen without harmful to our health. Social distancing is a vital part which dominates the cause for the infections. Similarly, I think you should not take the advantage of meeting people as usual, casual. And if it is a family, it's okay because within the family we can manage ourselves. And when you are step out of the house, we'll have to follow the social norms. How we will have to be very careful in following the precautionary methods so that we will ensure that we will not get easily infected. And again, this is one of the tool through which our infection rate can be controlled, kept under control. So unless this kind of things are not adopted, I think we'll put in serious trouble. இந்த மூணு ஐட்டமே they are all weapons, very powerful tools to fight against your virus infection. So it is not a very complicated thing to use it to keep a distance everything. It is a very ordinary thing, could be easily followed by anybody in the ordinary walks of life. Washing hands as usual, நம்முடைய ancestors பண்ண மாதிரி I think properly we keep ourselves clean. So wherever we go out, we wear masks. Not only for this one, also it will be away from the pollution. And when you keep social distance, definitely the rate of infection will also be minimized, will not occur. So this is a very ordinary thing which we don't get ourselves reminded frequently. So don't forget that they are the weapons at the moment to fight against the strongest disease known as coronavirus. Invariably, it is everybody prone to get infected. But the children and aged people have more chances, more probability chances because அவங்களுடைய ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ், அவங்களுடைய இம்யூனிட்டி பவர் அந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங்கர். ஏஜ் ஓல்ட் பீப்புள்கிட்ட இம்யூனிட்டி பவர் கொஞ்சம் லெஸ்ஸாக இருக்கும். சில்ட்ரன் நவ் தே ஆர் க்ரோயிங். ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு ஸ்டேஜில் இருக்கிறவங்கள நீங்கள் வீட்லேயோ அல்லது வெளியே போகையிலே யூ ஷுட் கிவ் அ வெரி strict instruction that they should not go without a mask. Again, instruct them to keep the social distance, and whenever they return from either from outside or school or institution anywhere, ask them to clean their hands, body, and clean the things, and let them also take a bath 2 times. And aged people, better to avoid all their routine trips to go outside, something like that. They can get a help from their juniors or children, whoever is in the family. So this is a way through which I think our health can be kept under control as well as free from this virus. Please ensure immunity level is grown up. Please ensure that you are healthy and cheerful. So wish you all the best at this juncture.